Good morning. So today I have only two colors left to try on in the Glimmer Quad collection. So let me show them both to you because one of them I'm not going to try on tomorrow, but maybe I'll wait until Friday. This one is called Vixen. There you go. You can see it. It's black and it's got some grays and it's shimmery. I have never really worn black, so I don't want to put this on for work. It makes me a little nervous, but so maybe I'll do this on Friday. And the one I'm going to try today, so we only have two left. This one is called Idol. It's got some pretty browns, and it looks like it's kind of yellowish peach in this one here. So we'll try this one on today. Before Friday comes for the darker ones, I chuckle because I've always used browns. Always. I don't know why. But if you happen to have any pointers or some tips for me on how to apply a black or like a gray eyeshadow, I mean, I'm sure I could do like a smoky eye, but honestly, I don't really know how to do it. I just know how to do simple slap on some makeup and go about your day. And I've already, put on my foundation as fast as I could and, did all my prep beforehand just so I could show you the colors here. Right now I'm using the very lightest one on the entire lid, focusing on the brow bone and on the inner corner of my eye. And I know that a lot of makeup artists used a lot of different brushes to create their techniques. I have like maybe three. I use the big fat one, and then my next one, which I actually got from Avon many years ago. I'm going to use it on this color down here. My phone keeps going off today. And the darker colors, the blacks that I'll be trying on Friday, maybe I won't do that until Friday night, or maybe I'll just wait till Saturday morning because I definitely don't want to for my other work, the Zoom calls that we've been having, everybody's at home and most of the people are not even, which I don't know why, at least put their clothes on, but I guess because they're at home, they're in their pajamas. I don't know if they don't think we can't see their clothes. I mean, I know we're just talking to their faces, but there's a few of them that they're in some pretty things that you wouldn't normally wear to the office or even maybe to Walmart. Maybe they just don't know that much of them is on camera. I don't know. All right, I think I'm going to put a little of this dark. Just on the edge here. And I remember I told you that I have hooded eyes, so you gotta go a little bit further up, so that way when you open your eyes completely, you can actually be seen. I know that a lot of my after photos of putting on the different colors, they pretty much look the same. And that's probably because I didn't put, and of course I'm doing this for work, so I didn't put a lot on. Maybe I'll have to do some videos where I do a very intense glamour look, I guess. I don't want to put too much on because I'm about to be on camera. Okay. put a little of this shimmer right there. Okay, so again, like a lot of people have a lot of brushes. I have 4, just because I slap it on. Maybe if I was more of a makeup artist, I would, but I'm just a regular person. Slap it on, do my errands, run my business. Oh, I forgot my crown today. My goodness, here's my crown for today. I think I need to get some more crowns. There we go. Okay, eyeliner. By the way, I think I said in the last video too, the Glimmerstick eyeliners that I love, I'm gonna have to stock up on because it looks like they're going to be discontinuing them, or some of the colors at least I know of. But even though they're going to be discontinuing some of them, they always come up right behind with something better to replace it with. But if this is one of the ones that you absolutely love the color or you love the way it felt, I would get a few of them just to keep on hand until they have the new one that comes out. And the one I'm using today, again, because I love it, is the chocolate brown. And I guess on Saturday, when I try on that, the one called Vixen, I will use the black eyeliner. If there are products that you would like to see the color of, or want to see how how it works, maybe there's a face wash you want to see how much it foams up or something, let me know. I do have some that I have purchased that I could try for you and show you how they work or how it foams up, or maybe there's other products you want to see. My lipstick is just whoops, lip liner. I think today I used red brick. That's why it's kind of red. And then on top of it, I used from our Love collection, which I believe is a limited line, Sunset Sail. And the Sunset Sail color is the summer collection, and it kind of smells coconutty. For a lipstick, that's kind of neat. Doesn't really taste like anything, but it smells nice. Not a heavy scent, just a hint of coconut, and it shimmers. Perfect for a summer, just slap on some lipstick and mascara and you're good to go, because it's like a shimmery summer color. And of course, the lip liner I used made it look red, but it's not red. I wanted to give it the hint of red. Otherwise, I would have used a nude or a brownish. There. I always have to hold this eye. It twitches, and I think I told y'all that in like every single video. Oh, I forgot earrings. I don't have earrings on today. I think that's it. Alright, so on Friday or Saturday, I'll try on the very last one I have, and then maybe the next week we will, maybe I'll do it much darker and more intense, and that one you can see the colors even more. If you see a color that you like, just log on to my website. It's Glimmer Quad, and then put in the color that you were liking. Okay, I gotta go to work. Bye.